Good morning, dear students. Welcome to Iqra English School. This is your class 5th NCERT book looking around, and today we will read the chapter number 5, Seeds and Seeds. As the name is, you must have known that we will talk about the seeds. Do you know that seeds are very important to germinate the plant? And there are three important things to germinate the of seeds is that air, water, and light. Here there is a story of Gopal that was waiting for his Mausi's family to visit them. They will coming the next day for their holidays. He was thinking about all the fun and nice food that he would have with his cousins. Just then his mother called out, Gopal, before you sleep, remember to soak 2 small bowls, means katoris of chana, gram. She was going to his bua's house and would return only in the morning. Then what did Gopal? When Gopal was soaking the chana of 2 bowls, the gram of 2 bowls, he thought that this is very less. So he soaked 2 bowls more gram. He thought that it will not be enough for the 8 persons. But when the next morning his mother came, he was surprised because the gram was overflowing from the vessel. But Gopal did not know about that if the gram or some seeds when they are soaked, then their size become increase. What things are soaked before cooking in your house? You can say there are many seeds are there, but we can say that rajma and green dry pea, etc., moong, they are soaked before cooking, because when they after soaking they become soft and cook easily. What things do you eat after sprouting? How are they sprouted? How much time does it take? We eat chana, moong, etc. to sprout. They soak in water, and then after soaking, they are to wrapped in a wet cloth and change for they are to wrap with a wet cloth so that they get proper air and water, and after 1 or 2 days they sprouted. Has the doctor or someone you know ever told you to eat sprouts? So you can say that of course the doctors tell us to eat sprouts because it is very nutritious. Do you remember that in class 4th you did an activity with seeds? There is also an activity, take some chana and 3 bowls, put 5 chana in the first bowl, fill with water, put a damp piece of cloth or some cotton wool in the second bowl. Now keep the same number of chana in it. Make sure that the cotton wool or cloth remains wet. Put the same number of chana in the third bowl. Do not put anything else and cover all the 3 bowls. Then what happened? Observe after 2 days and note the change in the bowls. In the first bowl, second bowl and third bowl. Are these seeds getting air? First bowl, no. Second bowl, yes. And third bowl, yes. Are the seeds getting water? In the first bowl, yes. In the second bowl, yes. Third bowl, no. What change did you see? In the first bowl, we see that the gram has swelled up. In the second bowl, the gram has sprouted. And in the third bowl, there was no change. Have the seeds sprouted? In the first bowl, because in the water there was no sprout, but in the second bowl the gram was sprouted. In the third bowl there was no change. This is also a project of plant is to take a clay pot or a tin can with a wide mouth. Make a small hole in the bottom of the can. Fill your can with soil. Put 4 or 5 seeds in the same kind of the soil and press them gently. Different groups of plant different kinds of seeds can plant different kinds of seed, such as different groups can plant different kinds of seeds such as mustard, sarson, fenugreek, methi, sesame, til and coriander, dhania. So name the seeds. If you are planting mustard seed, then write the name of that seed such as mustard. Write the date of the date when you planted that day. You observe something coming out of the soil. Start filling the table. First of all, 7 days has been over. The 8th day, the height of the plant will be of 1 centimeter. The number of leaf will be 2 and there will be no change. 9th days, 1.3 centimeter height, 1 leaf more comes and there was no change more. There was no more change. 10th days, 2 to 0 centimeter height, 4 leaves has come on the plant and stem become thicker. 15th days, 4 centimeter height, 6 leaves has come on the plant and stem become more thicker. This was the explanation of your chapter number 5. This was the first part of explanation. So listen the explanation properly and I will give you some question answer from your workbook. So read and write properly for your examination.